Hi guys, we're here at Pepe's in Fullerton. I've heard a lot about this place. Check out our taco plate. Has the chips, beans, guacamole, rice with that some sort of rojo or pico sauce.
It's like a ranchero sauce.
And then we got, look how full these are.
Those are some big tacos.
Lots of cheese, lots of everything, right?
Yeah, that's gonna need a fork afterwards.
I'm gonna try the green sauce first.
Wow, crunchy.
These not bad tomatoes, they all fell off.
Yay.
Whoa, that's so good. There you go, that was the green sauce.
So the tacos were what? A taco plate. It's like a little over $14.95.
But when you look at it, it's kind of worth it, don't you think?
And try those beans. How are the beans? Usually,
Good flavor.
I'm not a huge fan of rice typically. It's usually nothing special, but that looks a lot better.
It's really good.
I actually saw this on the photos online. I was kind of interested because usually rice is not spectacular.
And it's got a really good flavor. So does the beans.
Hot. Wow. Very fresh.
And my favorite guacamole. Try the taco, Dave.
Oh man, this thing's so heavy, it won't slide across the table.
Yeah, that green sauce is good. You're gonna do it without and then with?
Nah, I'm gonna do it.
Super good. Look how much meat they put in there.
Oh my goodness. This is a big taco.
It's really good. The sauce is really good. Perfect amount of lettuce and cheese, you guys.
Yeah, I don't know how they do that. A little extra bite of meat in mine.
What do you think of the salsa? It's got good
Pretty good.
flavor, huh?
Flavor and a little bit of heat.
The rice is good. The beans are good.
So tacos here are phenomenal. We do have a little bonus part of this video. We've had so many people tell us to come here. They said breakfast burritos anywhere.
So we
come
have
on.
breakfast burritos in Orange County. And someone wrote there, you have to try Pepe. So here we are. So stick to the end, you guys. You'll see a different bonus video.
Oh, that's real good.
So if you forgot a fork, they double wrap the tacos in tortillas. Take the outer tortilla out and use it as a spoon. I'm gonna have Dave show you how to do that.
Somebody else should show them how to do this. They've got an edible fork or spoon. So let Kathy show you how to do it.
Here's your salsas. And all the veggies.
You want to eat it? You're not eating
I just
mine.
pull that over to you.
I'm saying you're not eating it. There's no point.
Yeah. a little after 1:30, and there's actually parking.
Let's get started.
We're here at Casa Franco. That's your hot sauce. They give you free chips and salsa. This place tacos are huge. Their sauce is spicy, but we like it really hot. So
But
this is our hack. Add a little bit of that. Mix it into there. And then now you have super flavorful hot salsa. Whew, that is hot. So, I don't know if you can tell, this taco is huge. Like here.
that, and they give you tons of cheese.
So if you're ordering this by itself, it is $6.50, but look at that. A lot of cheese, a lot of meat. Really good stuff, you guys. Taco's so big, you can make yourself a taco salad afterwards. We're here at Pepe's trying their breakfast burrito. I've had a few people tell me you have to try the breakfast burrito here, and now I know why. They're huge.
So this cost us roughly $14, but we did get extra bacon. That was a suggestion by a
Subscribers, so here we
Subscribers.
are. It is huge, you guys. Oh my god. Oh yeah.
I like that they actually put a good decent amount of eggs in there. I hate it when it's like just all potatoes.
That looks awesome, right, you guys? Can't wait to try it. And I told you about their sauces, right? Green sauce is flavorful. Is the hot sauce or the red sauce
I
hot?
didn't notice it any hotter than the green, but it's flavorful. So I like mixing both of them.
You do? You want both?
Yeah, I'm gonna put both of them in there. It's not too spicy, so if you don't like spice, probably steer away from it, but if you like it, put a whole bunch on. It's got beans, potatoes, bacon.
Oh my
eggs,
god, I
and
love
cheese.
egg and beans, so I'm gonna love this burrito.
All right, Callie.
Alright, this is a really big burrito. It's half, right? So,
Yeah, it's definitely shareable. And thank you. I don't know the subscriber's name that said double up the bacon. I think that was a good call.
great call, you guys. It's crispy. I love the egg flavor. I like the bean in here.
Yeah, it's
This is a great breakfast burrito.
It's a good balance of all the proteins and the cheese in there. Nice big tortilla, so it's not falling apart.
One of my friends who went to Fullerton College said the best breakfast burrito ever.
Yeah, he
Came
said he
here
went
all
to
the time.
Fulton College, and all of a sudden Kathy's like, "Have you ever heard of Pepe's?" And then he just went off. He's like, "Wife, where's the best breakfast burritos?" She's like, "Pepe's."
It is really good.
So they've been around since about 1962, I believe.
Yeah.
So
Long time.
They've been here a very long time, so they're doing something right.
The beans in here are so good. The beans are perfect. But yeah, awesome place.
Pepe's.
You must visit, you guys.
I think they have hamburgers and everything else, right? It's not just Mexican food. So
Tacos are good. The rice is good. Beans are good.
we live in Irvine, so this is probably like a 15, 20-minute drive.
I'm gonna do it again.
I think so, for sure. All right, well, we're going to probably eat half of this and take the rest home for dinner.
But if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. We appreciate you guys.
So you can have a look at some more good food.